guys, if you are going to snowy area, then आप लोगों को चाहिए कि ये इस तरह
push to release, pull to lock on, release, hold it out, make sure the chain is tangle free. So tangle free, yellow in the right hand. We're then going to get down on the right hand side. We're going to feed the yellow around. We'll come out here, give it a shake, interlock, reach up and around the back, lock our chain up the top, just like so. Haven't got too much clearance there. But I might try it on the back as well. Hook that one on. Once it's like that, push over. Yeah, so this one will be fitting on our rear chain, rear tyre, sorry.
Yeah.
Hook it up, pull, lock that one on. So
Perfect.
This chain's a tad too big for your tyre, but demonstration's sake, it's all the same.
Yeah.
Unhook, drop down, clip it off. We have to drive off the chain, so just make sure the ratchet strap, torsion box clear, and we're good to go. I'm just going to try it on the rear quickly, fellas, because as you can probably see here, that suspension strap is very close to the back of our tyre. And have we fit chains to this car before?
No.
Not this car. No worries. Let's try it on the rear quickly.
बड़ी अच्छी डेमो मिल रही है हमें. पिछला टायर जरा बड़े वाला है. This is how you put a chain on your tire if you are driving through a snow area. ये घंटा कार है जी. हाँ, ये घंटा कार है.
Clearance wise, we're good. We just don't have a lot of room in that ratchet. Drop it down size. We'll get you fellas up the hill.